This is a quick all you need to know review and demonstration of my absolute favorite dining bowls. As a Scandinavian, I am a fan of the Danish brand Georg Jensen. I love the line Cobra, so I decided to get these dining bowls, and I have to say I use them for everything. They are both perfect for serving, for pasta dishes, or for your morning yogurt. To me, they are the perfect size and can be used for so many things. The Cobra line is characterized by these wavy organic forms, and they are just stunning. What I love about this line is that it's so high quality and it combines functionality and a beautiful classic design. These bowls make for beautiful table settings and add such an elegant and chic style to your kitchen. They look different in every angle, and the pictures don't make it justice. They are dishwasher and microwave safe. The porcelain is really high quality and high shine. I've had these for a year and they don't have a scratch. They look brand new still. If you want to upgrade the style of your kitchen and tableware, these are the perfect choice and you can buy them with confidence.